We're connecting professional buyers with professional engineers to manufacture their projects. These are machinists, subcontractors, full turnkey manufacturers. They sign up to our service to receive live inquiries from manufacturing buyers who are looking for new or alternative suppliers.
Through Qimtek, we found quite a lot of business, a lot of good leads, and a lot of partner companies that we now supply to on a regular basis, and that's down to Qimtek having a very open book way of connecting potential buyers with suppliers.
Qimtek are working with us to make sure the type of inquiries are adapted to our processes. We'll get emails of offers and we'll then look and see if it's suitable for us. And the nice thing is we can contact directly with the customer as well. This has allowed us to enter into a bigger pool than we could have done naturally or organically.
Manufacturing buyers upload their drawings into our platform, so they could be looking for, say, 20 machine components. We would then match that with relevant suppliers by location, approvals, what material they work in, maybe the industry that they specialise in, and we sort of marry them up together, really.
We might get that source of income from areas that we'd never even be looking at. We log into their portal and we can pick up potential customers who are looking for the type of products that we will manufacture. We'll also get emails from Qimtek or phone calls to say, hey guys, we've got this company here who we think are right up your street.
You might need to order some steel tube, get it fabricated, get it galved. They can either split it up and get as multiple suppliers or one person who can do the lot. Being a small company, we don't have necessarily the manpower all of the time to go and pursue those quotes for materials ourselves, and it helps us meet new suppliers and get the best prices for what we're ordering.
We're here to engage relationships between a buyer and a supplier that go on to form long-term supply chain relationships. Now, we've got so many stories of this, but we only really track the initial order that we give them.
Like a lot of companies, we always thought that we had a good supplier base. We knew who everybody was and what they were capable of. Within probably a day and a half of sending inquiries out, we're inundated, literally. We had a few conversations with a number of potential suppliers, sent further detailed drawings, etc. Visited two of them. The third visit was Ian, the furthest distance as well, which was one of the things that do we or don't we.
We received the inquiry and the drawings from Andrew and then did the quotes against them. He then came and visited and was very happy.
Fulfilled everything we wanted. And we certainly wouldn't have been able to do it without Qimtek.
That's how the partnerships worked, and it's gone on very nicely for the past year, 18 months.
We took that leap and to be quite honest, it's been a real success. We've never looked back on it. So I can't speak highly enough, really.
To become a supplier, all you need to do is really get in contact with us. We would really go through the kind of things that you can make. We'd show you some of the needs and the projects that we get. And if it's a match, then maybe you can come on board and start quoting some of the jobs that come through our system. The range of business that we tend to put out there, we're talking about £3 to £4 million a year of just introductory business. That doesn't include any additional business. It doesn't include any repeat orders. That purely is jobs placed through our platform.